My name's Jim. I am the Solar Boondocker. Remember, you can find me at jimindenver.com for solar design. Today I want to announce a series about adjusting and aiming a directional antenna for a booster. Now I know you're looking for the big antenna to start swinging around here in a bit, but first we got to know what direction to send it. You can do the 360 degree, let's see if any adjustments make it good, but that doesn't always work well. And knowing which way to point the antenna in the first place is always the best idea. The first part of this three-part series is going to be a website called cellreception.com. Now, cellreception.com can be used before you get to a site, while you're at a site. It's not perfect, but it's a good jumping off point to know which direction to try to aim the antenna. Because if you have no direction to aim it, sometimes you're just going to miss the signal. So let's look at cellreception.com and see how it works.
So here we are at cellreception.com. I'm zoomed in so you can see what I'm doing. Over here you can see you can add city and state. I want to do quartzsite today since everybody knows quartzsite and the RTR and things like that. Now quartzsite isn't a very big city, so cellreception.com isn't going to recognize it right off. Gives a little error page. I'm going to add the zip code for the area. That brings up Quartzsite, Arizona. On this side over here, you notice that it has all of the carriers for reviews. Verizon gets the best reviews in the area, followed by AT&T. Sprint gets the worst. Now this is an average over all of the reviews, and there's things to consider like do the people have the right phone with the right bands to pick up the antennas in the area? That can have a major effect. So take the reviews with a grain of salt. On this side over here, you've got towers. You can pick on any particular tower or any particular company's tower and look just for them. Let's look at all. Notice it loads Parker instead of Quartzsite. That's because Parker is the largest city in the area and recognizable. Let's look at the map. Normally you can just scroll down and see the map. I'm going to go to full screen so you can see all of it. This is a full-size version of the map at cellreception.com. I'm using this instead of the little one on the page so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is Parker. Right over here is Big River. There were a lot of boondocking RVs there. I was up in this area earlier this year. Quartzsite, where we're looking, is down here. Now this map can go out. You can see whole areas and decide if boondocking in this area with a bunch of towers is better than boondocking in this area over here where there's no towers. You can use it before you get there. You can use it while you're there to pinpoint the tower that you're connected to. That's American Towers. It's not a Verizon or an AT&T, but I'll bet you're going to find Verizon and AT&T antennas on top of it. You can scroll in right down to street level, pinpoint your location, put that in the center of the screen, scroll out until you start seeing towers. You can pick just the Verizon towers, just the Sprint towers, just the AT&T or T-Mobile, and that way you would know what areas would be best for you to camp in. So there it is, brief overview of cellreception.com. Use it before you get there. Use it while you're there. Just another tool. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can find me at jimindenver.com for solar design and consultation. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.